Welcome back to Console Fix It, your one-stop solution for all your gaming console needs.
Today, we're diving into some technical territory, BGA and reballing work on the PS4. BGA, or Ball Grid Array, is a method used to mount key chips like the CPU and GPU onto the PS4 motherboard using tiny solder balls. Over time, due to heat or wear, these connections can crack, causing your PS4 to malfunction. That's where reballing comes in. We remove the chip, clean off old solder, replace it with fresh solder balls, and then use specialized equipment to reattach it, restoring your console's performance. It's delicate work but can bring life back to a failing PS4. If your console is acting up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at ConsoleFixitOfficial and on Facebook and YouTube at ConsoleFixit for more console repair insights. See you in the next video.